guys! My name is Teena, and as you can see, I am in the car because I'm actually waiting for my mom to go downstairs because I need to drive her around. It's basically a full day of errands to me, and I didn't get much sleep, as you can tell by my eye bags. So I still want to put makeup on. Dahil matagal naman yung mom ko pumasok sa kotse, I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup, and I think that's better. Sorry, nakakabit lang kasi kayo sa manibela. So I just want to quickly share to you guys my routine when I am on the move or on the go. Pag wala akong masyadong time mag-makeup, ito lang yung mga ginagawa ko. So without further ado, let's just start. So first, I want to talk about my new base. I recently got this lang, and I find it so convenient. I want to highlight the Belo Tinted Sunscreen. Firstly, napakamura lang niya. It's only 169 pesos. And the amazing thing about it is it's 3-in-1. Basically, it's your sunscreen, it's your foundation, and it can also act as a primer. So kung gusto nyo ng sobrang madalian talaga, ito na yun. It saves you 3 steps. I also like it because it has SPF 50. And guys, living in the Philippines, kailangan natin mag-sunblock. I feel like sunblock is one of the things na hindi masyado binibigyan pansin ng mga ating kababayan. Naks, may ganun? Is this okay? Dapat siguro ilabas ko yung car, no? Ilalabas ko lang kasi nasa lilim ako, so napakadilim. Anyway, so while we're waiting for the gate to open, I want to talk about texture. Kasi nasa-watch ko na to, sobrang, tinan mo, meron siyang color. Meaning, pwede mo siyang pamalit talaga with your foundation. Ay, ang love. Sayang. Oh, ayan na. Wait lang ha. Okay, so now we have more sun. Mind you, sobrang bango niya. Also, if you're worried about the coverage, it has a medium coverage. So meaning, matatakpan pa rin niya yung mga, you know, chismis natin dyan. Tapos, you can just use your hands. So, syempre, minsan, tinan mo, in fairness, coverage. Sobrang lightweight pa ng feeling niya sa face, guys. And it's super, like, dries matte. Oh my god. Guys, can you see the coverage? Saan kayo nakakita na tinted moisturizer na ganito ang coverage? Sa Pilipinas. Sobrang bihira. Oh my god, it's so dry. It's so matte. Oh my goodness. Ako po ay natutuwa ng bonggang-bongga. Sobrang mattifying niya. Oh my, look at the coverage. Oh my god. Kahit nga hindi everyday makeup, you can definitely use this. Because I know a lot of people who doesn't want like thick foundation, so this is really nice for them. So anyway, so after my foundation, which is great because I don't even need concealer anymore. For everyday makeup, I don't need concealer anymore. So after that, I can just lightly do my brows. Boom! Killer is life. Boom! Boom! Kilay is live! So after I do my kilay, do my mascara really quick, hindi pa rin ako mapakaniwala na napaka-matte ng foundation, in fairness. It feels like I have nothing on. Meron siyang konting shine, pero hello, mag-powder ka lang ng slight, okay na yun. Pero it really feels like I have nothing on. Parang lang ako naglagay ng sunblock, pero may coverage. Ang galing. Wala lang. Kahit ang tagal ng nanay ko. And then after I do my foundation, my kilay, and my mascara, I put some color back in my... Naririnig ba? Sige na nga. Go! I put some color back in my face. Maglalagay lang tayo ng cheek tint. Ganun. Toot! Toot! And then sa lips na rin. How about I put some mascara? Put some mascara. Put some foundation. Meron ako dyan, hindi, ito. Tinted moisturizer siya. In fair, gusto mo na, bilang kita dyan.
Try ka muna.
Ayan, so diba fresh lang? Foundation, kilay, mascara, and tint. Tapos ka na. Oh, by the way, I will show you how long the foundation will last. Pag end of the day na, papakita ko sa inyo ulit kung ano yung itsura ng aking face lock. I'm just gonna show you how long it lasts. Ano ba? Ang galing, super natural lang for all you natural beauties out there. So, okay, alis na ako and I'll be back later on the end of my day. Nagpa-foundation pa si Mami. Ganda, no? Tsaka parang walang, oo. I just realized, kanina pa pala ako nagsasabi ng tinted moisturizer. It's a tinted sunscreen. Sobrang GSS ako sa sarili ko ngayon. Fresh lang. Okay guys, so ito yung foundation ko after 5 hours kasi kanina lunchtime, so ngayon 5 hours na. In fairness, I'm still pretty okay looking. Yung coverage nandun pa rin, and hindi ako masyado nag-oil, pero feeling ko pag sobrang oily ka, baka kailangan mong powderan. Hindi kasi ako nag-powder, so susuguro kung oily skin ka, you should powder it. Pero for combination to normal skin, feeling ko okay lang naman siya, even without the powder. So ayun nga, as you can see, fresh pa rin ako even after 5 hours with the tinted sunscreen, and I find it super duper amazing. It's affordable, it works well, it protects you from the sun. What else can you want? So that is it with my short hack slash parang review na rin for the Belo tinted sunscreen. Try nyo lang guys, it's very easily accessible naman. I'm pretty sure na meron yan sa department store natin tsaka sa Watsons. I hope you guys like this video kahit napaka-ikli lang ng video. I just really wanted to share what I thought about the products because I'm trying to do more reviews in my channel. Kikay of the day is schools ako. Congratulations! If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below #Kikay of the day, or you can comment on any of my Instagram photos #Kikay of the day, and I will see it and greet you next time. So that is it. Bye! God bless! Mwah! By the way, if you want to see more details about the product, I'll post links in the description box.